truck. I was looking on the trailer.
Oh,
Did you have fun loading it?
watching you.
Watching them load it in the car, in the back of the truck?
I have a lot of work to do.
Do ya? Did Dan tell you what you have to do to it? That's good. They put it on a tire, huh?
It was on the tire of the picture.
It was.
Yep.
Cool. Think that's gonna be a happy birthday?
I would say so. Yes.
Since you like working on engines?
Yes. Got lots of cleaning to do. Lots of cleaning to do. Lots of vacuum. Lots of vacuuming.
Vacuuming and cleaning?
Yep.
Oh.
Taking apart. He said you're gonna have to take a vacuum and suck all the dirt out of the heads.
Okay.
And then you're gonna have to, he said, take the oil pan off. And you get all the, drain the oil, take the oil pan off. He said it's leaking somewhere. And then he said, we'll go from there.
Cool.